day and I feel like dancing like a monkey. If you feel the same, dance with me to the song Dance Monkey by Toes and I. Let's get started! First, let's break the dance into small steps. First, take 2 steps to your left or your right and then step back. At the same time, hold your hands together and move them like a seesaw and then boom, explosion. I'll do it one more time. Seesaw, seesaw, boom. And here's how it looks when we do the legs and hands together. Next, bear your body weight on your left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. At the same time, move your hands like opening the windows and then close the windows. After that, do the hip roll. I'll do it one more time. Open, open, close, close, hip roll. Next, twist and reach the other side with the outward arm, hand on the shoulder, and then repeat. After that, show off your style. Next, we have reach shoulder, and then move your finger down slowly. After that, put your hands close to your mouth like you are saying something, and then just jump, jump, jump. And then clap to the left, clap to the right, clap to the left, and then to the right. Now let's put on the dance moves together. Here we go!
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see. So
I hope you will like this dance tutorial and most importantly, have fun dancing.